Welcome back to the Eco Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we're starting our new build, / old build, / continuation build. But we're back at it. We got the Mustang, the GT350-R. Michael thought it was a GTR, but we got it all fixed up.
It's a long time ago, Ivan. That was a long time.
So we're done with the S1000 build. We're done with a couple other little builds we did. And finally all the little parts for this thing came in, so we're ready to continue the process.
Yeah, I'm excited about it. I know we read your comments. You guys are wondering, where's the GT350-R? Here it is, basically right where we left it off. We finished the frame on it, we got it painted. Now we got to put it back together.
Yeah, so we're ready to paint.
Yeah,
we gemmed it
outside.
out.
We gemmed it out. We did the inside, so now we're going to do the outside.
Yeah, so but we got the radiators, condensers, all that came in, so we're going to put that in, put the radiator support up back on there.
Yep.
And if you guys didn't see our other rebuilds on this one, I'm going to show you.
Yeah, check it out. Now that you're all freshed up, because it's been a while, honestly.
It's been a while.
Yeah, we kind of forgot ourselves. We checked it out, so we were like, oh, okay, sounds good.
And it's collected some dust too. We're gonna have to wash this thing out a little bit.
Oh man, it's been sitting up there for months. Just lift it up in the air,
but at least we can put the radiators in and do, put the coolers in and put some coolant in there and see how it runs, let it warm up and everything like that. And then we'll be ready for the paint booth to get it painted. And just like that, put it together, we're gonna drive it.
Should be good, quick and easy. I'm excited, let's get this thing on the road.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so it's time to open up our boxes, see what we got. headlight. Probably just keep that wrapped till later. I don't want to get scratched or anything. That's the other headlight. Sounds good. AC condenser. Radiator and the fan. It's nice. Comes together. Perfect. Alrighty, got the front end back together. Radiator's in, AC condenser. I filled it up, warmed it up. Car runs good, nice and warm. I also filled it with some AC, so it's blowing some nice cold air because we definitely need that. So that's good. Now I'm going to start working on the inside. Working on that airbag, I'm going to get the knee airbag. I'm gonna get the seatbelt out, find the module, get that out as well. Coming along. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the progress. Front end's together. It's running hot, running cold. It's nice. Well, I mean, like, it warmed up, so that's good. Staying in the middle. Temperature's good. So now, like I said, let's work on those airbags. Unfortunately, they're melted, so I need a clock spring. I ordered one of those. If you could tell, you just take your screwdriver or whatever it is. Go from the side, and that little spring right there, that's where you have to hit for the airbag to come out. Alright, let's try to figure out that knee airbag. Knee airbag installed. Honestly, I'd say it's pretty easy. 3 nuts in the back. Just gotta take some of the plastics off, but fairly simple. All right, time to get that airbag module. So I got the airbag module out. It was right underneath the center console. I honestly didn't even have to take it off all the way. I just lifted up the back. That gave me enough access to the 3 bolts and the 2 plugs. Got it out, so that way, less stuff to take apart, less stuff to put back. There you go. All right, I'm gonna take this and the seat belt to the airbag guy, let him get it reprogrammed, see if they can rebuild the seat belt. I don't know, maybe, we'll see. But to continue on, let's go. All right, we got the hood on, looking at the gaps, looking pretty good. Still need some fine tuning, but overall, feeling pretty good about it. Front end's together, AC, radiator, fan, put all that on. It's running pretty good now, so I'm happy about it. Next up, be prepping for paint. But unfortunately, that's all the time I have for today. So let's go inside, find that winner for the giveaway. Think you like it. All right, guys, we're back inside. It's time to find our winner. We got a lot done in the Mustang. I'm really happy about it. We could just turn it on now without worrying about it overheating. Got the whole front end stuff put together. It's coming. It's going pretty good. So let's load our old video. Got 126 comments. Not that much. I'm surprised. This thing's a beast. I mean, honestly, did you see those calipers, rotors? Man, this thing's pretty crazy. I mean, once it gets in the road, it's gonna be great.
We're doing the giveaway of these signs.
Big old Cobra signs.
Are we still gonna do a giveaway in this video, Michael?
Of course we are. So go ahead and comment GT350-R for your enter a chance to win.
And tell us what you think about the car too.
Yeah.
Is it worth repairing?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. 100%. All right, here we go. First winner. I guess we have 2 winners this time. We have 2 signs. That's all I made this time. Sorry. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Charles Farmer, GT350-R, sweet work, both of you. I appreciate it. Go ahead and email some information and we'll get that signed over to you. And let's find our last winner. 3, 2, 1. There we go. GT350-R, Mike and I are almost done, looks good. I appreciate it. Yeah, if we keep working on it, it's gonna get done. Can't stop. That was our problem, kind of took a pause on it, working on other stuff. And you know how it is, you get busy and other projects get exciting. But alright guys, we appreciate it. Thanks for staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe, follow us, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video coming out. We'll get this thing done soon. Till next time.